car. It's spotted the Batman. Call everyone in. Every car patrol, beat cop, off duty too. Pull them in now. I'm gonna do what Jim Gordon never could.
What's that?
I'm gonna take down the Batman.
Are carrying hostages of the definitely Gotham County. The Argonauts have gone four suspects are now being pursued by what appears to be the Batman.
And what do you know?
So what about the armed robbers? One bike's pulled off. No hostage. Shall we pursue?
Negative. Stay on the Batman. He's getting away. Who do you want to catch, huh? Some robber or the son of a bitch who killed Harvey Dent?
8 years. He has to pick tonight. It's drawing the cops off bait.